Successful creators work like master chefs, combining secret ingredients to craft content that captivates. They use specific AI tools to make data-driven decisions about what content to create. Ever felt stuck watching other channels skyrocket while yours barely gets noticed? You're definitely not alone. In this video, I'll reveal the exact 3 AI tools that successful creators are using in 2025 to grow their channels faster than ever. These specialized tools, designed specifically for YouTube growth, stick around because later I'll show you how to get a completely free starter blueprint that helps automate your content workflow, plus a few powerful tools to speed up your results. Did you know that 99% of YouTube creators never make enough money to quit their day jobs? This isn't just a random statistic. It's the reality for most people who start a channel. Let me show you why this happens and how to make sure you end up in that successful 1%. Most creators struggle with 3 big problems that keep them from growing. First, they can't find good video ideas that people actually want to watch. Second, they don't know how to optimize their videos, so the YouTube algorithm shows them to more people. Third, their thumbnails don't get enough clicks in a crowded feed full of competition. The average YouTube video gets less than 100 views in its first week. Think about that. Less than 100 views after all the hours spent planning, filming, editing, and uploading. For creators dreaming of monetization and financial independence, this crushing reality often leads to abandoned channels. Why does this happen? Because most creators make content nobody is searching for, basing ideas on what they think might work instead of what data shows will perform well. Even when creators manage to make videos on topics people care about, they often use the wrong tags, titles, and descriptions. This makes their content basically invisible to YouTube's algorithm. Like having the best store in the mall, but with no signs telling people what you sell. Here's what separates successful creators from everyone else. They use specific AI tools to solve these exact problems. Top creators use AI to analyze thousands of successful videos in their niche, finding patterns that would be impossible to spot manually. They know exactly which topics are trending, which keywords to target, and what thumbnail styles get the most clicks. This is about having better information than your competition. These tools give creators an advantage by showing them what content will work before filming begins. Imagine knowing with 80% certainty that a video will perform well before investing a single minute creating it. It's like a detective using digital clues to solve the mystery of audience preferences, rather than blindly guessing what might work. Having seen these common pitfalls, savvy creators turn to technology, not luck. The first tool changing how successful creators plan their content in 2025 is VidIQ. This tool completely transforms how creators find video ideas that actually work, showing you exactly what your potential audience is searching for and which topics have the best chance of success. What if I told you that top creators aren't using these tools separately, but as part of a complete system that multiplies their effectiveness? I've been studying how successful YouTube channels grow in 2025, and I noticed something important. They use a specific workflow that makes each tool more powerful. This is a 3-stage process: validation, creation, and presentation. When combined, these tools work like perfectly balanced ingredients in a gourmet recipe, creating results far greater than any single tool could achieve alone. The process begins with validation using vidIQ to find trending topics before investing any time creating content. This crucial first step helps you focus exclusively on topics with proven audience interest. vidIQ analyzes search volume and related keywords, providing data-driven insights about what your audience wants to watch, preventing wasted time on low-performing videos. After identifying winning topics with vidIQ, imagine cutting your production time in half with StoryShort AI to create script outlines and generate complete videos for testing concepts quickly. This tool streamlines your video creation process by generating scripts, selecting video styles, and adding voiceovers and captions automatically. Create multiple video versions in minutes instead of spending days on unproven concepts.
He posted 32 videos. No views, no likes. On the 33rd video, 1 comment. This helped me. He smiled. On the 50th, he went viral. Success didn't come from talent. It came from not quitting.
But here's where things get really interesting. The presentation phase. What if you could borrow the exact thumbnail style that's already generating millions of views in your niche? With Pixel's AI, you can. Its unique Recreate feature allows you to paste a YouTube link from a successful video and generate a similar thumbnail for your content. You can adjust how closely your thumbnail matches the original by changing the inspiration weight, giving you designs proven to attract viewers. This complete system eliminates guesswork throughout your content creation journey. You're making data-driven decisions at every step, making success predictable rather than random. The difference between creators who get views and those who don't isn't better cameras or more talent. It's using the right AI tools as a complete system. What I showed you today will change how you create videos forever. VidIQ finds the hottest topics with real audience demand. Story Short AI cuts your production time in half. Pixel's AI crafts thumbnails that actually get clicks. Together, these tools take the guesswork out of growing your channel. Imagine waking up to more views and subscribers because you're making smart, data-driven choices. If this makes sense and you want to move faster, grab my completely free Shorts Automation Starter Blueprint in the description, along with other hand-picked tools to help you grow smarter, not harder. Now, here's a question for you. What's the biggest challenge you're facing with your channel right now? Drop your answer in the comments. Let's tackle it together.